this is Sunil Jadhav. Welcome back to my channel. In this particular video, we are going to discuss about one important chapter of Standard 10, chapter number 1, that is real number. Students find this chapter very difficult, but I will try to make it easy by my own methods. Here in this particular session, we are going to see about Euclid's division lemma. So let's see. Before see this particular statement, we'll try to understand how does this statement comes from. Let us see one example that what is Euclid's division lemma. Let me say that suppose I will divide one of the number, I will take number 7. That 7 I will try to divide by 3. Then 3 2s are 6 and the remainder will remain 1. So here you can see that 7 is dividend. Now this 3 is divisor, this 2 is a quotient and 1 is remainder. Now if we'll consider I will have one of the real number, that is a. I will try to divide this real number a by b. Suppose I will get quotient, that is q, and at the end I will get remainder r. So this a is a dividend, b is divisor, q is a quotient and r is remainder. Now let's see this Euclid's division lemma, what it wants to say. Given positive integers a and b, here we have taken that a is a dividend, b that real number which is divisor. There exists unique integer q and r, that q is quotient and r is remainder. So all these four, that is given positive integers a and b, there exist unique integers q and r satisfying this, that is a is equal to bq plus r. Let us try to do this over here. For this particular calculation, if we'll see, suppose I want to get answer 7, then 7 is equal to, I can write it, I have divided this by 3, so I will write it, that is 3 into, I will multiply by quotient, that is 2. You can see 3 2s are 6. I have to add one more, and here you can see that 1 is a remainder. So I will write it 1, that is 7 is equal to 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So the similar statement for this, that is a divided by b, we got quotient q and remainder r. So I should write it that a is equal to, here 7 is equal to 3 into 2 plus 1. Similar way a is equal to, I can say this is divisor, that is b, into quotient, as here divisor was 3, I have written here, that quotient was 2, so it is 2 here. Similar way a is equal to b, that is divisor, into q, that is quotient, plus r. So this statement becomes a is equal to bq plus r. This is Euclid's division lemma. What is the meaning of lemma? Lemma is itself a theorem, which is a small theorem, or we can say helping theorem, which would be useful to prove a large theorem. On the basis of that, we can solve a large theorem. So here it is a is equal to bq plus r. We derive it, or we can say we have written in this way. Now the condition is given that 0 would be less than or equal to r would be less than b. What is r? R is a remainder. So definitely the value of remainder must be 0, or it would be greater than 0, but definitely it will never be more than b. B means divisor. Even we should check it another one. Suppose I will take it 8. I will try to divide by 4. Then 4 2s are 8. Then I got remainder 0. That means the remainder should be equal to 0. Or here you can see that is 7 divided by 3. We got 2 and remainder was 1. That is r would be more than 0 or it would be equal to 0, but definitely it can never be more than b, or we can say that would be always less than b. Definitely in any condition you can check. So this Euclid's division lemma wants to say that a is equal to bq plus r, but the condition is that 0 will be less than or equal to r is less than b. I hope this division lemma you are clearly understood.